Welcome to today's review. Today, we're diving into an innovative and energy-efficient device that can transform your home into a smart haven, the Smart Thermostat. We found this product on Amazon, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Smart Thermostat? It's a modern solution designed to replace traditional thermostats in your home, making it easier to manage your heating and cooling systems while helping you save energy. This device works seamlessly with voice control, allowing you to make adjustments with just a few spoken words, thanks to its compatibility with Alexa. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, this thermostat is built to be energy efficient. According to a study conducted by the manufacturer, you could potentially save around $90 a year on energy costs. It achieves this by allowing you to create custom comfort zones throughout your home. You can connect it to select Alexa devices, which can automatically adjust the temperature based on real-time readings or even detect when someone is home or away. Another essential feature is the programmable thermostat capability. You can set your home, away, and sleep schedules so your HVAC system runs only when you need it to. This ensures that your home stays comfortable without wasting energy. Additionally, the advanced Alexa Plus features allow for automatic temperature control, which means you won't have to lift a finger to maintain your desired climate. And for those who are on the go, the Smart Thermostat offers an easy-to-use app. You can monitor and control the temperature of your home from anywhere, which is perfect for those who might forget to adjust the thermostat before leaving for a trip or those who want to ensure their home is cozy when they return. Installation is another area where this product shines. Designed for do-it-yourself enthusiasts, the Alexa app will guide you through the installation process step by step. And if you run into any issues, customer service is readily available to assist you, ensuring that you won't be left in the lurch. The reliability of this device is backed by Honeywell home thermostat technology, which brings over 130 years of expertise to the table. This means you can trust that the Smart Thermostat is built to last and perform effectively. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who values energy efficiency and wants to reduce your utility bills, this thermostat is for you. It's particularly beneficial for families with busy schedules who may forget to adjust their heating and cooling systems. Homeowners looking to upgrade to a smart home will also find this device to be a fantastic addition. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine coming home from a long day at work to a perfectly heated or cooled house, all thanks to the Smart Thermostat adjusting itself based on your schedule. Or picture being away on vacation and adjusting the temperature from your phone, ensuring you return to a comfortable environment. And for those who have family members with varying comfort levels, creating tailored comfort zones can ensure everyone is happy. In conclusion, the Smart Thermostat is an excellent investment for anyone looking to modernize their home while saving energy and money. With its user-friendly features, reliable technology, and seamless integration with voice control, it truly stands out as a top choice in the realm of smart home devices. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.